Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Royal Bank of Scotland. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search field, search for rbs.co.uk. By doing this, you land onto an interface like this. Now to log into your registered account, go to login option on the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. Once you are directed to the login page, you will have to enter your credentials. You can either log in with a customer number or 16-digit card number. Your customer number is your date of birth followed by a unique 4-digit number that bank gave to you when you registered for digital banking. If you have forgotten it or don't have cards to hand, then go and tap on forgotten your login details. Once you have entered your details, go and tap on continue. And on the next page, enter the selected character of your PIN and password as requested. If you enter the incorrect login details 3 times, you'll need to re-register your details in order to reset your access to digital banking. And after you have entered your PIN and password, click on Next. And once you have signed in, you'll be able to see your account summary. And you'll have successfully logged into your account. So this is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Have a good day.